JetBot Mini is a programmable educational robot suitable for learning AI vision and ROS. It is based on Jetson Nano to G board and ROS robot operating system. Using the ROS system, we create a series of wonderful functions, such as ROS Color Follow, ROS Autopilot. Users can also remotely control the robot through the mobile app, and view the videos captured by the camera in real time, or remote control the robot through the mobile phone gravity sensor. Equipped with a high-definition camera, JetBot Mini can also realize color recognition, face detection, object recognition, air tag recognition, air augmented reality, image visual beautification, phase shift detection. In addition, users can also purchase handles and brackets to realize FPV real-time remote control with mobile phone, or use the keyboard to control the car. Users can view all the learning materials online or download them from Yaboom website. And we will professional technical support and after-sales service.